everyone, welcome to my channel Fat Fashion Fitness and my name is Siddhi. So this is the part 6 of a 6-part humongous Shein haul, and this is a sit down chill out video. I am going to show you all the accessories that I've bought in the recent past. There are a couple of accessories still on their way, and because of the COVID situation they weren't delivered on time, or in time rather. So alright, let's just get into this very beautiful, amazing, satisfying haul. So the first part that we are going to see is bags, and so this one is my very first backpack. It's basically a backpack which has got really huge straps, so this sits on my bums, which I like for a small backpack. And apart from that, the material, if you can see, is Rexine sort of a material, so it is all seasonal, and it is not water resistant though, but it is all seasonal. And the zips, the hardware is nice and gold. It's very smooth. All the zips are extremely smooth. So you get a main large pocket, a small slit pocket inside, then these two compartments open on the sides, and there are these very small compartments at the very end. And you also get this handle in case if you want to carry it just like that. There are no loose threads. It is so beautifully made. Only one concern is that this chain, this hardware is a little rusted. That's the only thing, but then I think I will give it a pass because it was at 70% off, so that's that. The second bag is specially for the summers. I'm sure you must have seen variations of such jute or straw bags a lot in the last 2 or 3 seasons, 3 summers. So it has a nice beautiful base, gold hardware, and along with this clasp they also have a double zipper here, which is a great thing. Inside there is absolutely no other zip, and this actually I've tucked it in, but it's a really long strap. So if you're a plus size or if you're a very tall lady, then it will give you many length option. It's really long, and it's very beautiful. The only drawback being that the material is very flimsy. Alright, so I have stuffing right till the very top of it, and what I will be doing is I'll be cutting out 3 pieces of cardboard, one circular here and for the back, and then a rectangular piece that I will put along the edges. So I think that will do the trick. This is a very good size of handbag. As you can see, it's humongous. It can also fit in 1 liter of water bottle, which is a big thumbs up because I am going to carry this bag during the summers, and water bottle is a must, guys. Now coming to the third bag. Actually, third and the fourth bag are quite similar to each other, so I'll give you a quick comparison of the two. So these two are the bags. Now this one, as you can see, it's I'm so sorry. So this one is a shiny crocodile print, crocodile embossing. It has got this very cute little tulle. There are multiple colors in this one, and once you open, it's a very basic clasp. And there is no zipper here. There is no other compartment inside the bag, and it comes with a detachable sort of a long strap. Alright, so this is it. And the bad thing about this particular bag is it does not retain its shape. I have stuffed it till the very top, and that is why you can see the size and the shape of the bag. Otherwise it is very flimsy material, very flimsy material, so I did not really like it, but unfortunately it did not get exchanged, so that's that. Coming to the last bag, as you can see, it's matte in finish, again crocodile embossing. It has got this leathery, fox leather of course, a leathery handle to it with gold detail, gold hardware. Now again the same sort of an opening, but the magnets on this one are much more stronger than the previous bag. Again it comes with a basic strap. As you can see, the stuffing is only half done, and there is also a zipper inside right here. A small compartment is also available. Now the best part about this is it retains its shape. It will not lose. Even if I remove the stuffing, still it will retain its shape. Even after removing the stuffing, the shape is just intact. So that is why it looks very beautiful. And as I have developed a taste for shaped bags, the heart shaped bags which retain its shape, because it looks very classy, it looks very pretty, and as well for plus size women it looks better with their, you know, body structure, with the size of their body structure, that thing looks a little better. So the second part of the accessory section are the belts. Now this is one of the biggest belts that I own, but again the biggest disappointment because I can't really wear it. As you can see, it's a beautiful metal detailing. This size is 1.5 inches if I'm not wrong, 1.5 inches. Now it said on the net, on the site it said that this was 40 inches. Unfortunately it is not. It is hardly 35 to 37 inches in length. So it's a big failure. I really cannot wear it anywhere. So that's that. Probably I'll be gifting it to one of my friends or cousins, I don't know. Now the second belt is again almost disappointment. Is this beautiful embroidered belt. Now as you can see, this is real embroidery, it is not printed, guys. And the matte black looks very beautiful. Gunmetal hardware looks even more beautiful. It said again that it was 40 inches, but then what they meant was 40 inches up till this particular edge. And unfortunately the first hole is right here. So this length, so on the waist it will be only 37 inches. So this is again a misfortunate for me. But then I can always wear it as a higher waist belt, so that's a plus sign. It's a good piece. I really like this piece. If you want something plain yet a little catchy sort of a belt, this is a very good piece, guys. I love the embroidery. Now coming to the third belt, you must have seen in the previous the previous part of this haul, you must have already seen this belt. It's this pearl detailing belt. Oops. It's this pearl detailing belt. So the pearls are very beautiful. None of them are flaky or chipped or lost its color. The hardware is gold. Again, it's a good hardware. There is no color loss as such. And once you wear it, it looks damn pretty. I have also worn this in the previous videos of this haul. Now the only drawback, it said again it said 39 inches, but it is not 39 inches, guys. It is only 37 inches to be very specific. That is why I can wear it on the upper waistline and not with the jeans and stuff like that. So that's that. But I don't really mind it because I was any which ways going to style it with my dresses and stuff like that. So that's a big thumbs up. And the last belt is one of my most favorite belt of this particular haul. Is this. Wow, like this is a serpent or a snake gold detail and patent or shiny crocodile detailing. This is true to size because it specifically said plus size belt. It specifically mentioned that this is a plus size product. So a big thumbs up, guys. Shein, I love you guys for this. Plus size belt specially meant for us, which is amazing. This is 43 or 44 inches in length, which is a big thumbs up. I have ordered one more plus size belt which is on its way, which is very simple actually. So this is a big thumbs up. I love it. Now coming to the hair accessories aspect, I have got 3 hair accessories with me. Alright, first is this really huge kick-ass bow. Now it's very shiny as you can see, and it's really big. Now the other side is this sort of a clip. I wasn't expecting this clip, but unfortunately it is this clip. So nonetheless, it is very easy to open and very easy to wear it. So this will work for me if I'm doing a high up, something like that. See, if I'm doing some really high bow, a high bun, then I can put it right here at the base of the bun. So it looks very pretty from the back. Also, if you're doing a half hairdo, more like a half hairdo, so then you can put it right here. It will look damn pretty. It's so big. It's so freaking big. It's so big. Compared to my head, it's very big. But the only drawback, I did not like this clips, but nonetheless. Now coming to the second bow. Again, it's a bow, but it's a smaller in size and it's with pearl detailing. Is this damn cute little pretty bow. Alright, so this bow does retain its shape more or less. In case if it comes a little dismantled, then you can always adjust it. It comes with this sort of a clip right here. So this clip, again, I'll be wearing it, or I can wear it on the sides as well, just for demonstration sake. So it looks very pretty. especially because it's pearl and detailing. See, again, as you can see, it lost its shape. Lots. I'm having a super slurry speech today. Well, I tend to have that, but that's okay. So it's a good investment. If you compare the two, the price point was almost similar to each other. So I think I will go for this one because it's more of a utility rather than this. I did not like the clip basically. So that's that. Now the third and the last hair clasp I have is this. Now in the photograph I thought that this was made out of metal, but unfortunately it is plastic, and I thought that this was golden color, but as you can see it is more of a rose gold or reddish gold, reddish orangish gold. So that's that. Now what you have to actually do is, I'll quickly give you a choto demo because I liked it really much. Now if you wear a normal rubber band, so if you wear a normal rubber band, your ponytail will look more or less like this. Alright, but now since you have this clasp, the plastic detailing, so you have to let the ponytail go through that metal detailing, and then the pony looks a little high on top, like a little high, a little away from your neckline. So that's how it will look. I have styled it in one of the photographs also on Instagram, as well as of course during the video as well. So that's that. I wouldn't really recognize this because it's metal, because it's plastic, and in the reviews I could read many such reviews saying that the clasp wasn't very well made and they got a broken version of it. So that's that. Now the last hair related product I have is this hairbrush. Alright, so this hairbrush is basically, this tool is basically to remove hair from the paddle brushes like so. You have to just dig it in and scoop them out. So that's that. But then I feel I got this for my mom because she's a bit of a lazy person. But I feel that washing them with proper toothbrush, sort of a brush, and washing them with shampoo, dipping them and letting them sunbath is the best option to clean your brushes, whether they are combs or hair brushes. Anyways, coming to the brushes or the makeup brushes of this haul. Now starting with this, oopsie. So this is the first brush I have. Alright, it's a single piece with two different ends for the eyeshadow thing. So this is a nice fluffy brush right here, and this is a flatter brush right here. This thing is very dense and this thing is nice and fluffy. It's beautifully made. The color itself is so pretty, and yeah, a big thumbs up to that. And this, guys, is so beautiful. So it is so dense. It is so freaking dense. Now I have already used it and washed it once, and still it did not lose any bristles, it did not lose its shape. So a big thumbs up to this piece. The length and the size, the thickness is really nice, and yeah, I really love this piece. I would 100% recommend if you're looking for a blush brush or a powder brush. This is an amazing product. Now coming to the two cloth related extra accessories. So this one is over the knee socks. This comes in a pair of two pieces, so black and grey. Black one is in the wash, but the grey one, it looks so beautiful. It's so thick that even if it stretches, it's so warm and thick. The elastic is really well made. It does not roll. I had rolled this down, that is why it's curled, but it does not roll down. So I have really thick thighs and really thick calf muscles as well. So this thing just stayed in place for so long. So for winter season, if you're looking for a pair of socks, or even generally if you're looking for a pair of socks that can be worn really high with those over the knee boots, then this is an amazing product. A big thumbs up to this. And this one is a bit of a failure. So if I wear it, you will understand. You see this part right here, this fluffy part, this domed part. I do not like that sort of a thing. So this part right here, the front of it, is a very stiff material compared to the softer material on the back, and that is why it sits that way in a funny way. I do not like it, but I do like the BTS symbol. It's so beautiful. Anyways, now jewelry, actually not accessory, jewelry, that's the right word. Now there is one boho piece that I have right here with me. Now let's jump into the accessories section. Now there is one boho piece right here with me, which looks so freaking pretty. It's oxidized gold. It comes down almost till here, like so. And of course you can style it more like a choker way. It's very pretty. These hoops, it may look a little dangerous, but they are not. Trust me, they are very finely made. So that's a big plus. I also got this pair of earrings. They are nice and beautiful long. So the black part is made out of suede material, and the hardware is gold, of course. I have already utilized it in a couple of videos as well. Yeah. So that's how it looks. So if you're a plus size, or if you have a round face in general, then to give it a more elongating sort of a face, you should try wearing more of these dangler sort of earrings, not jhumka but danglers, long danglers or hoops. So that gives an illusion that you have longer face, longer jawline. This is actually a two-piece earring, alright. So you can either wear only this curved bar, or you can wear it with the dangler. I'll show you how it looks with the danglers. There you go. Again, it's nice and long. It looks very pretty. It's pure, proper goldish, matte golden finish, and I really enjoyed this particular piece. I've already worn it once. I enjoyed it. It's super lightweight because of the dangling thing. It is not very heavy or uncomfortable, and most importantly, these are very well made, stripes. So it will not entangle with your hair or your hairdo. So that's a big plus thing. Now coming to the next hoop earrings that I have got. This was an individual pair. Now these are very beautiful, matte gold in finish, but then I was expecting the size to be a little large. These are epic fail. I was expecting the size, and plus if you can see, the distance between the two ends is very narrow, and if you have a thicker earlobe, then this is not going to suit you. And these are very small. Like I will not wear them. These are extremely small, and for my the size of the face, this does not really look very pretty. So nah, I will not suggest you these. These are very bad. I mean, the size aspect, of course. Now coming to the last set of 6 pairs of earrings. So now coming to the last 6 pairs of earrings right here. Now it comes with these 3 studs. It's a basic gold heart shape, basic pearl, basic diamond, and along with these 3 hoops, a basic pearly hoop, a very basic gold hoop, and the most prettiest of all, this is the reason why I actually purchased this set, is this. As you can see, it's basically a gold hoop, and it is entwined with a set of with a string of tiny pearls to it. Now when I wear it, you will see how pretty they look. I mean, they are just so well made. It's difficult for me. As you can see, it's so well made. It's so pretty. The size is just perfect, and they are so lightweight. And the finishing is just so beautiful. I am in love with this set. So this is, I think, one of the best purchases of Shein that I've done so far, and trust me, I've purchased a lot. But the only thing that you have to remember is, guys, that okay, now the camera might fall. Okay, the only thing that you must remember is, before wearing these false accessories. Okay, false accessories. Before wearing them, make sure that you wear them inside the home for a short time, just to see whether you're getting, any sort of infection, just in case, to be on the cautious side. See to it that you do not get any, any sort of swelling or redness or pus or blood or anything, something like that. Make sure you do that. And second thing, before you start wearing these hoops or any sort of these false earrings, especially from Shein, to retain the color of it, okay, due to wear and tear and pollution and stuff like that, make sure that you put transparent nail paint over these products. Now what that transparent nail paint is going to do, it is going to give it a more like a varnish sort of a finish. Sharan, please don't move the camera, beta. Don't move the camera. No. They are not willing to settle down. They are very restless that I am on the camera, and anyways, nonetheless. Baby, no. Shri Sharan, no. Alright, so the very last item of this entire haul and accessory section are this pair of very, very, very sexy heels. Now there is absolutely nothing wrong in this pair of heels. So this part right here is a single wooden block. So that's a big thumbs up. There is a proper stitching around the entire sole. So that is an advantage because it's not just pasting that's been done. If you see this part, there are proper screws, golden hardware screws here. So even this fabric is very intact. Now this fabric is more like velvety, and the black dots, the cheetah print that you can see, is a little embossed, so that gives a little extra richness to it. The sandal or the heel has golden hardware, plus even in this hole there is this proper eyelet, so that there is absolutely zero damage due to wear and tear, which is a great deal. And as I've already mentioned, I've got this really humongous, very manly sort of feet. And for that, this pair suits really beautifully. It's a must. Now the heel, I will quickly tell you. Oh my god, Sharan, please don't move, Babusa. Sharan. So the heel size is, this thing is 4 inches, this thing is 2.5 inches. So a total of 1.5 inches is the actual height or the actual heel size, which is very comfortable. And this part right here, it's very stiff. So you get a complete, you get a proper heel, support to the heel. So I 100%, 200%, 300% recommend this pair of heels. It was on the costlier side, of course, but then I think it's worth it. It's a perfect summer sandal. It's a very beautiful summer sandal. A big thumbs up. And yeah, so this was the humongous ass Shein haul. I am concluding on behalf of all the 6 parts, and I hope you've enjoyed.